Hello, I'm Sara from Motolegends, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Rokker Ladies Black Jacket. So this is Rokker's Black Jacket for ladies. This is what it looks like new. This is what it looks like after 4 years, 20,000 miles. It is a fantastically comfortable jacket to wear. It's my go-to summer jacket. It is made of Shirley's Dynatech fabric, 100% made of Dynatech, which means it is incredibly abrasion resistant. I feel very safe in this jacket. It's very secure, has a slide time of 6.13 seconds, but obviously that's a slide time everywhere because it's made completely of Dynatech. Doesn't have a waterproof membrane, but it does have incredible water resistance. It has a technology built into the weave, which means it repels the water. It also has a nanosphere technology, which means dirt and water doesn't impregnate into the material. It also has sealed seams. So you will get 30-40 minutes of rain, any showers don't touch you. You can actually make the waterproofing better again by ironing it. So if you do get a little bit of leakage in the seams, an iron will mean that that waterproofing comes back again. But because it has no waterproof membrane, it's really breathable. It is lovely in hot weather. UK hot weather is fine. You get to the south of France, to Italy, it actually has got a cold black technology, which means it repels UV. It doesn't let the UV soak in. So for a black garment, it's actually remarkably cool, even in very hot temperatures. As you can see here, I'm actually wearing my warm and safe undershirt under it. I can go out with the warm and safe and the Rokker, I can go out spring to autumn, need to take a waterproof with me for real downpours, but actually this is my go-to outfit for riding. So as you can see on the jacket, it actually has a waterproof zip on the front here. So their commitment to making it pretty water resistant is there. It comes with full D3O armour, so back as well as shoulders and elbows. It has an attachment here so that you can attach it to a belt to stop it riding up if you were to have an accident. Although to be honest, it stays pretty much in place anyway. It has a neck attachment here to close the neck in bad weather, but it's only poppered on, it's quite easy to lose. Pockets are great, 2 small pockets here. These pockets are fantastic, you can fit everything in them. They are not, however, waterproof, but I can keep my entire life in those, go travelling with nothing else. It has a waist adjusters on either side, so you've just got a little bit of movement there on the waist. It does have fairly long sleeves. Normally that's a relief to people because they're fed up with short sleeves halfway up their forearms, but if you have short arms, you're going to find the sleeves too long. It comes in sizes small to extra small to 4XL. I am wearing a medium, so I'd say a medium was a size 10-ish. And it is priced at £429. It is a really versatile, really safe, really nice jacket to wear. If anyone puts it on, it instantly feels comfortable. You will wear it to death. So I can't speak highly enough of this jacket. I love it. So that's the Rokker Ladies Black Jacket. Available from www.motolegends.com. If you want to go straight to the product, just go top right and click on the icon. You're covered then by our free P&P, free returns, 12 months to decide whether you like something, and our price beat guarantee. If you want to sign up to email bulletins, then do that at the top of the website. There's a link on the header of every page. If you want to sign up to our video channel on YouTube, you can do that bottom right of this screen. Thank you for watching. If you want to come and see us in person, we're in Guildford. GU31LU. We're open 7 days a week. We have a fantastic shop here. We've got more stock of Rokker items than anyone in the world. We have a great range of ladies gear, and we are committed to making sure that you are safe, comfortable and stylish on the motorbike.